Welcome back to Wavelink, and I'm with Jinyus. What's up?
You know, Jinyus, the mother love kind of lyrics representing it. See me and say Links TV. Oh, go on, Sashka.
Well, nothing much, but the public want to know, what is APR?
Well, APR Alliance Portmore regime. From you say Alliance, I don't know about particular thing. You see me a branch from the broader Alliance. But you see me, APR now mainly the main focus for APR right now, Jinyus and Dalakan, we are the main act. Then now we have a couple other crazy amount of things that have come out. So you can just look out for that, you see me?
Alright, before we go in details, check out discussion on Facebook and Twitter. According to Chuck Fender, he's more in tune with using the positive energy of music and that good vibes always conquers bad. What do you think? But guess what? On Facebook, Blessed Child said, love it. And Nicole O sang, music was intended to heal. Music used to be life, but these days I don't know. People are using music to make her sick. But she big up Chronics for doing a good job. Renegade says, big respect to Wavelink for keeping the vibes positive. Thank you, Renegade. So, Jinyus, tell me, what do you think about that question?
Well, definitely I agree with Chuck Fender because music, me personally, I don't like some of the music where I come out nowadays. Like, them not really have no message behind them, you see me?
So, what about your music?
Well, my music, me do a variety of music, so. You see me have song for everybody because I know everybody can relate to one song. You have to have a variety so everybody can have something to choose from. You see me? So I just say the thing there, you see me?
Alright, that's Jinyus' opinion. There's need for variety. So Jinyus, tell the people what's going on with you.
Well, right now, I work on a mixtape for come out March the 8th called World's Greatest Volume 4. Because you know, say them call me Jinyus the Greatest. You see me? So why not World's Greatest? Volume 4 thing sick. And recently, I just released a song named Dancer Secret. The first day I put it on YouTube, it get like 1 million views. Well, maybe not 1 million, might have exaggerated a little bit, but you see me?
I love it.
Yeah, man, it has go on. You see me? So I just said the thing there.
Alright, Jinyus, what's the info for booking?
Well, bookings for APR, you don't know, you can reach us at 4578513 or 4220952. And you can also go to my website, myworld.webs, that's mywerl.webs.com. myworld.webs.com. You see me? Man.
Okay.